All right, so my name is Danny Pelfrey. This is our fully automated climate control growing chamber. It's designed to be used for either like mushrooms or really small plants. Basically, how it works is it's all plugged in just from the wall outlet, and we're measuring humidity, temperature, and CO2 levels. And then we can input like whatever setting we want, and then the system will maintain it using 3 different systems. The user interface is like we got our displays, which shows Tim, if you want to like show up close, we got what each one's measuring. So we got humidity, temperature, G stands for gas, and then we've got the setting it's set at, and then what it's actually reading, and whether or not our actuator's on. And then for our actuators, we got a humidifier, a heating pad, and a fan. Yep.
My name is Nolan Dollahan, and so I'll be talking about the temperature setup for this. So if you zoom in, you can see our temperature, and it's off right now, and this is our preset temperature. And then if you look at the top, you see we have a heating pad below, so that'll warm the entire enclosure. And when I turn it on, turn it up, so now it's heating, and the Arduino sends power to the relay, which turns on the heating pad, and that allows us to have the correct temperature so you don't get any frost, or if you have a higher desired heat temperature, it works for better growth.
Okay, I'm John Connolly, and I'll be talking about the kind of humidity sensor we got going on over here. As you can see, we got our same LCD with our set humidity that we want, and if I raise our set temperature above what it's actually reading, you just heard that was the relay clicking, and this turns on, and that'll run basically until we reach where we want to be. And then I want to show you a little inside. This is all of our wiring for our buttons, LCD display, for our sensor back in the tub, and that just kind of holds everything in one good spot. And then the clicking you hear is the relay. You get the input from here, and then it allows power to go to the humidifier. And this is a game changer because a lot of plants, a lot of nicer plants, they need a certain humidity to grow at or to thrive in. And this really lets us control that. But yeah.
My name is Tim Rudder. I'm going to go through the CO2 system and sensor, just like our other sensors. And we have the LCD display here. It's reading CO2 levels in parts per million. You have user control to raise or lower the desired levels. When it reaches a desired level, the relay will turn on this fan here, which sucks air out of the chamber, and then new air is built in through these holes in the tubes over here. They're covered with a filter tape to keep air clean as it's coming in. If we were to do this again, the CO2 sensor that we have, we would like to get a better one because it's not giving very accurate readings of the CO2 levels. When you grow mushrooms, they produce CO2. If you were to grow other plants in here, you would want to have a different sensor because they're going to produce oxygen. Yeah, that's it.